Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover the particular Gmail ID that you lost, or it has been hacked by someone, or in a case someone who has stolen your device. You have lost your device, and due to that you have lost your Gmail ID. You don't have a registered mobile number, or you don't have recovery email ID. How do you recover it? Yes, this can be possible if we satiate or fill or give appropriate informations to our Googles, and then this can be of course recovered quickly within 5 to 10 minutes without any hassle. But of course we will have to go for according to the guideline of Google. So how do I? Right now, see, this is ID that one my viewer who has recommended to other recover, because unfortunately he has lost his device today. Now see here. Now we have another way options to recover. We don't know password. Now see, we are trying to. Now it's asking this number we will have to enter. I don't have, so just we will go for. Now see, it's saying so that couldn't sign in you. So of course we will have to make it sign if it's possible. Because why these messages are coming? So because you didn't provide enough information for the Google to be sure this account really yours. This account belongs to you, or you are on holding this account. Yes, so of course we will have to keep the your account assurance by giving some informations to our Google. So how do I? Yes, we have option that more tips to recover your account. Just we will back it from here, and upon what we will do, simply we will come in a Play Store. In Play Store, of course, we will have to right here. Just we will come in app search bar, and we will have to write here. That's a web browser, WEB web browser. And upon, of course, we will go for here. See, second line, that is a web browser. Just we will click on here, and upon, of course, we will go for install it. So it has started to install, and it says costly 10 MB total. So now we are not going to open here, just simply we will cut it from here. And one most thing that is very important here, we will come in a Google product, we will hold the Gmail, hold the Z browser, click on a I dot, and this is a sign for help. Just we will have to go for permissions, navigate the location. So of course we will don't allow anyway, just we will ask here. Now we have elected this ones, and upon once again we will back, and we will click on a open by default. Fine, we will enable it, and upon 14 link has been given here. So see, we can see here, just we will disable, and upon we have to this one's clear. So just we will back, and we will come in a Chrome Center. This is also product of Google, so where it is a Chrome, just let me search here Chrome. If it is, yeah, here it is. Just we will open it. This is a Chrome browser, so I think in this device it will let me where it is. Maybe it's in a Google. Just let me have this there. In G products there is no, see, this is a not, no, here it is. Just we will have to hold it. We will come in a I dot, and upon of course we will go for permission, navigate the location. Once again here we will click here don't allow, and upon we will click don't allow anyway. We will back, and upon of course here once again we will back, and we will go for open by default options. Now here is also link. Now see, here we will have to clear preferences. Yes, so almost we have cleared this ones. Now we come to manage the notification. In notification here, as we see, additional setting of this ones. Now there is nothing, so just we will back, and now see, it's asking default by the browser automatically. Of course we will go for web browser, or we cannot also select this one. So see, right now we have selected this is a default browser, set as a default we will backs. Now it's the time to have actions here. What we have to do, guys, simply we will come in a web browser. So it has been installed. Let me web browser, let's say in a coming here, just open we will from here. So now see here, just we will select the anyone's, and of course we will go for Google. Now here we will go in a sign in to, we will have to write this email, that's it. This ones we will go for next, and upon now we will go for forget password. Just a simpler step, I'm the similar step by step you will have to access. So now see this one here asking the number, but we don't have, so just we will click here, we don't have. Now it's saying so they here couldn't sign, and here is also asking, especially you will have to keep your account secure by giving the proof. So here more tips we have, but don't click on a try again. So why it's so? Because maybe especially Google will trust that especially you are trying to recover that particular ID that doesn't belong to you and by a different browser. So here don't click on try again, otherwise it will be a freeze for time being. So just we will cut it from here, and upon this is a web browser. Just we will have to now handle this smartly. We will come in a setting. So let's see, in a setting 2 you will have an opportunity to Google service. So here is a Google. Now the Google service has been opened. Just we will go for in the help dot and upon. Here you have a search bar. Just you have to be here, write your real reason. So lost and stolen, that now the common fix issues etc. These are coming. Pick first one and upon. Now you have a chances here that see, now you have a chance to recover your account option. So just we will. Now here is also tips to the complete account recovery. So step by step, hold it and go for it. Now we will go for account recovery page, and upon directly see it came here. Once again we will have to enter especially. So just what we will do right here, let's see this ID. Now just we will have to go for here next. Now see here directly we have landed here. Now here we have two options that you can update password now if you have forgot. So here we cannot go for continue, otherwise of course it will ask for security concern, some the particular question of security key. Here what we have to do, guys, here simply we will have to go for update password, and as we see here now we have a chance to write a strong or create a strong password here. So easily this can be written the strong, this can be generated the strong the password here, and upon here also we have another option that is skip. See at the corner of this right now on live recorded we cannot generate a especially new password. Just directly we will go for continue, and upon see what will happen. Now all the data can be recovered easily via that. Here we can change the registered mobile number, we can change the registered Gmail ID, anything. Now it's a totally secure this ID, guys. Now if I here click, then see here this ID is now fully working. So how easily this can be recovered, guys? This is all about. Furthermore, in inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. Please would be managed to reply your the query and go for similar strategy step by step here. Don't miss the one step, otherwise you won't be able to, especially, and Google will trust that you are not a genuine owner of that particular ID. Step by step you will have to follow all the instruction that has been especially shown in this tutorial. And furthermore, you are enabled, or of course you are you are not in a position to recover by yourself, then leave your Gmail ID below the comment box. Of course we will try to access to the guideline to you, and of course we will try to guide according to your, especially recovery process. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.